Bakala dorize beri baba dedo. That place is cold. That place is cold, my brother. That place is cold. That place is cold. That place is cold, my brother. You don't stay, eh? You don't stay on another year again from the king of the king. The man of the man. The Lord of us stay when I share the video. Now because I lost my phone, get a little problem. I get problem with my phone. I got problem with my phone, yeah. Yes, and also with this this COVID, it makes a man now forget good phone not be easy. This pandemic, they make things that they really go kene. So I get problem on my phone. Okay, yes. One way I want to talk. Any man. If you see say if you offer me phone, no problem not there. They take them. Yeah. Now the Parisian, now the king, the talk. The one that the jealousy, they go hide inside forest. Was man look brutal. yeah. I feel greet everybody all now at the prison. All the innocent soul them from Amazonia with the prison. I greet all now master will lead the party, the king of the king. I greet all now the prison. Now make God bless you, make you stay well. Yes. And then I come here to stand to greet all the brave guys of the revolution. Yes, I remain the same. I will never change. Me man no lie, me man no fool. Na 2 seconds. I no fit ever change. If I change, Una share the video. I want to share the video. I still continue to make una propaganda. Una feel say, now with this stupid propaganda when I make away, it will change anything for Cameroon. Some stupid one they call himself I'm a countryman. Some stupid idiot they call himself a countryman. And I feel say na so now they can change the situation where they for the moment. And I feel say na so they can change the situation for the moment. Now it creates on it. Government will take responsibility for arranging them accordingly. Now they be proud. Massa, you don't know your story. Now they talk like talk them. Now they do all this stupid can't talk them. You know where to be that Cameroon. You know where to be that Cameroon. Una know where to be that Cameroon. Ma tell you not today if na no. Two countries they come make one. Even the phone charge themselves. No, the agreement they be sign now, they live inside today so. The agreement they be sign now. No, the agreement they live inside today so. Una can't join with some country. And inside the country, not even get talk. Not even the second personality, not even the third personality, not even the fourth personality. Nani shame. Na pin the road die all, nani shame. Pin the road die all, na for beg massa, man they live fine. The southwest and the northwest, na fine this so. If you come over, I go home. Give me some toilet and toilet roll paper them. They never, they no one learn sense. Can't country be that way. We not even the second personality, third personality, na no the fourth personality, na no the fourth personality, na no the. When be fit personality. One time I no that prime minister, you know get no action for do am. Na photocopy where they just put am. If he talk with you, we concern we. If you talk with you before anyone talk with you, it happen. If the can talk, say, head of state I've said, the head of state I've said, the head of state I've said, the head of state I've said. Obia, I don't tell you that I don't know. You born my village. You pay that village. You pay that village. Banga bakundu born am. And I tell you, get it to my word. Yes, get it to my word. Me some stupid idiot them. I can't tell you that somebody they don't live war, they don't live gun. And somebody they don't run, they don't live bush, they don't live bush. Now on propaganda that. Now so don't learn. I'm so one thing on the French side for come arrange problem them. Now so the arrange problem. Now so the arrange problem. When there's a problem, you need a very good arrangement. If you don't know, let me tell you. Okay? If you don't know, let me tell you. Let me tell you today if you don't know. When there's a problem, you need a good arrangement. You wait there for that Cameroon, no, make I tell you today. When they signed the agreement before, Prime Minister be an Englishman. He was the second personality. You know it's me personality. That's after Pobia. He be now Prime Minister. We be for English Cameroon. But now they don't fool na lie na take una put inside rice, inside oil, inside beans, inside tomato, inside corn chaff, inside puff. Drink una le water. Not even the third personality. Now it talks so we have people we have leaders. Who's leaders? Prime Minister is a leader. Prime Minister can never be a leader. I'm a leader. I feel be leader of Prime Minister. Me I feel be leader of Prime Minister. Because I hustle it by myself to be where I am today. I'm called Willie Parry, the king of the king. This is me talking to you if you don't know. This is me talking to you if you don't know. Even second personality, I know the third personality, the fourth personality, I know the face country. When I want to make a decision. Now picking they die anyhow when I day for day. I'm a prime minister, the head of state I've said, the bosses in the bushes. Now we don't I can. If I not share this video, I just stop announcing. I need to see a race 100. You have 70 people here. Just give 70 times 10. Yes, share the video. I want to talk. Maybe people they really understand. Maybe they party ven and say we they party on very they party ven which I vex na ya mami ndum kas me ma banke cham. I greet all the guys them. I greet una. I give una 100 gun cafe. I salute una. Man can never change it in my mind. Say the vex what the vex so. Now true vex. I don't know if you understand. Now true vex. Understand no? Yes. At this age, I believe say I don't see what you are going to see. The rest na dirty. The rest na dirty. Yes, the rest na dirty. The only last stage na for play for Olympia. After Olympia, that was the rest na dirty. I don't finish my career. Una fix with it. They can't fool na here. Na no one share them. Okay, na no one share no problem. I already tell you what you want tell una. I don't tell you what you want tell una. See the stupid government. They think say they get sense. Go talk say no make a foreign artist no can play game for Cameroon. Na some law be that. Foreign artists no can play game for Cameroon. Na some law be that. Na some law be that. They just make law anyhow. And at the council now, Prime Minister make a write them, talk them. That is your job. That is your job. You this SDF man. What are they calling a Joshua? What are Joshua? Look, Joshua. You. Vraiment. You are just a. You are just a beggar. Joshua, you are just a beggar. Yes, you are a beggar because you be one of the biggest fool. Will make me. I believe one day when I hear you talk, I believe one day say you get sense, but the sense not there knowledge at all. You are only palmarès na say which are the parliament. I'm a parliamentarian. I'm talking to. Look, my friend, you know what you mean for be parliamentarian. You don't see what happen for we can't country that again. For Senegal. You don't see what happen for Senegal. You don't see how you them come for outside for make them move parliamentarian inside, make them move parliamentarian of prison. Kind of country the way people don't work at. You don't see Senegal arming them. You don't see how after they move them out of prison. You don't see how people they go salute them, for give them courage, for tying them. that country, this way people, they want come out, manifest, they will carry gun, shoot them. Lawyer, they want come out, they carry gun, shoot them. Oh man, the journalists, them. They don't kill, na picking them. Wazizi. No man if you talk for Wazizi. Who go stand up for you, Wazizi? Nobody can talk for Wazizi. Now you don't die now for free. But when I own, I was saying, no, master, when I leave God, when I come up for bush, when I come, you don't finish, do propaganda. Look, let me tell you something. And if you hide them for my feeling for you, man, not tell una lie. Me man not lie una for na spirit. You know. You like it or not, you get to give cafe for my call and say that kind of man for that kind of man for Yabatu. Give cafe, no matter what you give cafe, it do it best. It do it best. I will get to support the best. Me, I support the best. Me, I don't get no fear of mankind. I support the best. Let me so idiot them for you come get and talk. They una come work at the shoot una. They kill una picking them, rape una picking them, burn una picking inside houses them. Now not get not talk for just make the country don't arrange problem. Now also now say make the boys and let the boys sit in the bushes, leave it the guns downsies. Now they now on permanent. Make they leave the gun down after no. May life just be normal. They don't kill. We're picking the years. Massa. We're picking they be fool. Una want call una boys them fools. Una want call una picking them fool because they turn up for una rights. They turn up take courage for una rights. Una want call them fools. You think man like Willie the Pada will take it for granted? You are lying yourself. You are fooling yourself 100%. Now no one share this video. Now no share this video. No people know the. I let it talk what you are going to talk self. When I share this video, and took if no more reach 200, more reach 200 before I want to continue the video. Yes. I hope I know I don't mix with plenty. Now will lead the pioneer talk. The biggest upon the biggest. When I share the video, I wait 200 people there for the first. See me some people there. Give me some people there. When they call me, will lead the Paris Massa, will lead the Paris Massa. At their Massa. I do wait 200 people. It remain 100. When I share the video, just share, just play a share it. Just push your sharing button. Just push your sharing button and let's do it. It remain 100 people. Some foolish people there. When I feel saying I play, when my countryman, my country people, they're my country idiot. Can't get people there and say Joshua, I'm here, I'm in parliament because I'm fighting for the right of the people. Whose right of the people? You beggar, you illiterate. Whose right? You are fighting for who people? For who? For who you fight? Now they call and name them, talk rubbish them. Look, this country, national so everything will be arranged. The time of God is coming. One day, I say one day, and one day is going to be one day. Share this video. It remain 90 people. Caricature them. When I share, I just want to share the video. Any man press the sharing button. I want to ask them. Any man press the sharing button. One time man say with you. Now I can't learn more for live for this world. Any man share a sharing button. Chris. No matter what will happen. No matter what will happen. Understand? Any direction we take them was just done for one place. In our village. So man go run leave your house. When I share them, if not 200, I stop them. Probably another day. Now they follow with you. More listening the best music so far. The best music of this world so far. This way make even French man confirm. The way the Paris the king of kings. No one knows that the best news so far. The best news so far. Okay, yeah, don't stop. We could continue now. I had a very good position where I was done.
Est-il certifié durable?
I get a good position where I was done. Langwa this langwa. I get a good position. I go sit down longer on this longer. Mapuso. J'arrive. Okay. I never understand this kind of people then. What I mean say, we're unintellectual then people then where they just remain now for their own belly, chop for their own self, and they fool the another population the way they know the way they not get no into where they not get no man way go school. Now their own life that. Una feel say they go kill what picking them, burn what houses them, put what picking someone picking they see there for prison. For prison, innocent people sit for prison, they suffer, just suffer. Born one picking the like a charcoal. But we're not gonna no board where we stand talk for we. We're not gonna no board where we stand back up, wait we will fight for. Wait we feel be unite for fight for our right. We want being a beggars and through our whole life. That means we will not be beggars for the age. More picking they can be the beggar people them again after. It will never happen now, massa. It will never happen now. Over my dead body. Over my dead body. When you be here, the look people, there's one they can't turn out. When I feel that the only solution, that the better solution that where government define now. So guys, they want to live in Ghana. So I can't tell now I be Muyoka fighter, I be this kind of fighter. I don't fight for this thing. Who be fair action for fight? When I don't be in a Palmares propaganda, you decrease your hate. You decrease your hate. They don't come fool some of una. Make una can hate una umbrella them. So one day they can call yourself countryman, my country people, all the kind of stuff. The Ayabachos, the Sakos, these people there. Now who fool na so? Who fool na? Who fool na? Who fool na? Say people they just stand up, they start something because of nothing. Even instead they start because of nothing, something will be for background way we don't start. Why the teacher they fail work up? Why the teacher they fail work up? Now what kind of government this way? Anytime people they work up, now they for carry gun, begin knock them, carry gun, they shoot them. What happened in this? They don't get no solution. They don't get gun there for fight. Work at them. How we see for Senegal? How we see for Senegal? Not only for kill, they must kill at least 10 people. Yeah, for say after they can't live and know they put them die for nothing. When I feel say what begin they go die for nothing, so for say no go look the Sakos them, the Abachos them, the people that say more look them like a devil them. Moko look what umbrella like a devil them. Moko support people them we will never know them. Better look at better you kiss devil way no and for kiss devil way no ever know. Yes. Yes. Me man no leona. Me man no leona. Me man no leona. Any man where you know say you come from that side. Oh, some of no one call them say look the physical arranging problem. Southern Cameroon maintain that flag for remember which way picking they don't pass through. For this country, places and they will get their flag. But you need to deny say the physical so you one flag. But everything get to come into normal. For say they arrange the problem. I no go make no man, no Ambazonian for hate his brother because say you want here say no massa, I need support all this rubbish. Look, you get right for support this rubbish. Yes, when dirty for your in front door, you get to sweep them. You get to sweep them. When dirty for your in front door, you get only for sweep them. Yes. No go be here, they support people them, they kill people them. People the way they work with the government, they can't make a sin and they be God and say they be Jesus Christ. Because you get gun for your corner, if you say because you get gun there, they protect you. If you say you don't be not Jesus Christ, you need to be no Jesus Christ. You need to be no Jesus Christ. I tell no. That government where they thief money for build stadium, they thief all money for build common stadium where go make picking and play. Now the very government will go thief all money where they will send and say they build some of that villages where they don't burn them. Then that mommy they will run die. Oh man, now we go pay for them. Okay, maybe they put them for our guys and no, now our boys and they carry gun, it judge them, fool them, foolish people them. Na feel for people, it be very easy for some people for carry gun because the people don't feel like life. Because the pikin feel like life. That will be come out in numbers. Will be come out in numbers for protects. They shoot now. Pikin they don't carry gun now for say no. They don't kill papa them. They don't suffer. They don't dreaming. But they gonna can't turn and say master. The pikin they make they leave gun for them. They leave gun for that. They don't do this. They don't do this. They don't do this. It be so easy for can convince you now. It be so easy for can convince you now. I wonder how when I be just remember inside the punishment for more than 40 years. It be very easy for convince you now. People then come into a marriage agreement with you now. They bring the country back into their country name. When I said when I maybe we can fall inside that foolish thing. La Republic. That Republic be a name for the country, na name for their own country. They need to arrange everything so that it come to a normal now, so that everybody can know say yes. Now so we did not for a country where you get rules and regulation. Who want for live for some country where no get rules and regulation, and they will ask me for tell people, they for convince people them say may they go hate their own leaders them. People there they stand for them talk. You decrease on the case on head no afeno. Na the case on head no afeno. Na drink water for instance na shio. Foolish idiot them. I tell when I say for that country, will not be even third personality. That means say if you don't want to talk about that country, Englishman will be even third. No say first, second, third, fourth. Would they fit down a prime minister and across the prime minister? So in a fit position, he no get nothing for talk. He no get nothing for talk. He own talk. He own work for that government. Now for can read. Which way they tell me can read. It just be like a picture. Now who support for big picture? Now who's support for big picture? Because nobody can talk for. Now who's support for big picture? Who tell you say if you call yourself Ambazonia, I mean say you support hunting. If you look even you way you talk call yourself black, you be Ambazonian. Because the story no will ever finish. See, at this particular point of time, we lost people and because of a particular struggle. You know, will ever finish. And why they're not going to thank the people, the leaders them. The one that they did prison, we do not have to come out. The one that they did prison, not have to come out. No one can talk for a year because now they come out in numbers. Now the feel say go men one day finish. Now lie, no one day go finish. When I become out, when I become, I begin looking at, I begin looking, I begin laughing and laughing because I don't know what you mean revolution. I don't know what you mean revolution. So one day she don't dream in body, just laugh. Massa, better man just be so yeah, better. Una life na better. Better man chop cake than for chop yam. Better man do this than for do this. Now on position that. Now position that for life be that. Now position for life be that. Now life na beggar. They can't sonara when our own. They put up all man for day. They put up different people for sonara. Una begin and then they want for CDC farm. Una can't enough for talk say no asa discrimination not day no. Discrimination not day for that country. Discrimination not day for that country. Una don't create una hate. Una lost sense. Sometimes I smoke. See me fool them, massa. Now I don't be na propaganda that you want to go for any Facebook. You meet one man for day. This man don't leave. This man don't come for bush. When I feel say na so you go finish, I don't tell when I say the people they start and they don't go finish and so easily. Many are called, but few are choosing. But if you no. As you go, someone come. As you go, someone come. Now so it day. If it now only the population where they will use them for finish the struggle, it will never finish. You know go ever finish. If you now so you know go ever finish. I need learn now. Small time when I will see now. When I take into my words because when I never talk, I never teach and play. I take into my words. Small time before me. When I will hear what you go happen. Now our idea will get them for cry. Thing they go happen. Yes, thing they go happen. When I want to for places, I say no master. But that man just begin dream mimbo. As you dream mimbo, now so people in the budget, they vex, now so they plan to some evil at them for do them. And they go finally do them. Now who they don't cry about picking the killer for Kumba? Who they don't cry them? Who they don't cry about picking the killer for Kumba? Who they don't cry do for Gabu? Who they don't cry do for Pingi? Who don't cry who them for Bamenda? He never finish. Make she don't quiet because we fear some lion where you can't swallow all man. Country will not get no respect. People say in two countries. Even the Pope, you second time after talk say this the boy absorb we or the boy suck we like water. Now some of them make lesson and they don't understand. Even the president of the country can't talk for you, can't after talk rubbish. And if you understand. What kind of stupid people than this? They want force you. That means some English people they take their palmarès. They want to force another one. They for hate their own brother. They will hate their own brother. So all our picking they for prison, all our papa they for prison. Una on the when they go for hospital, they handcuff them for bed. They are on the when they go for hospital, they leave them inside white bed sheet. Now need a less sense. You need to learn una something for na hate. Slave trade of finished sins. We see live a cancer today. Slave trade of finished sins. So when they can't cost me for here, talk about rubbish. Una feel na me, una feel the fear some man. Una feel the fear something for this world. Look me, I feel fear something for the world again. Me, I feel fear something for the world again. So una feel as we talk so maybe na fight man the fight. This is fight. Because if anything come to an end, or if they say the one can't catch people then for Europe, they can't catch up on me too. Now if they can catch me, they can't catch me. So when you start something, you know play with Satan, you know how to continue. Foolish caricature them. Una own them, they go hospital, they handcuff them for bed, they die with the handcuff for bed. Shame they do now. They are on them, they go hospital, they put them for white bed sheet. Una need to learn sense. Now they can't fool, now gonna hate una brother because they don't turn a fight for una. They fight for una. Say no man no mandate you. No man no mandate you for fight. Some man be mandate president for France. That be England. Some man mandate you for fight. He fights because a country. He fights because he like a country. Not be able to support your own brother. You should not quiet. No man need the force to serve. No man need the force you. No man need even call you. Maybe na power. Maybe na power. Maybe na power. When something pass you, she don't quiet. But they force inside. So when they don't take a blessing in their daily job. In their daily job. Okay, you, where you call yourself say you've been an ex-combatant. You just say you be ex-combatant, you don't fight. Okay, now you don't fight. Now they don't can take you now for say make you fight now your own brother. Who is the fool inside? Now you be fool. Now you be fool. Now why there was some of this idiot I tell them say if you say don't just any fight again, she don't quiet, cover your team up. Cover your team up. Now they don't can take now they be unable for arrange their problem. Now so now the very una wait away the thing go don't finish, they must keep all una because they know say una be bad see them. When this struggle go don't finish. Now they take una self so na dey for na side now. Now they get to keep all una because they know say una be bad see them. Yes. Now no know what to be mean. Una know what to be government. Now they don't job pretty for them. I want to say if you say you fight again, she don't quiet, you may a kaolo or you vanish. Now the only thing that if you help you for your life, or you vanish. If you not vanish, you understand say cocky will not go earn a goosey pudding. I tell you friend. Now make advice now, go advise you now. When you say you fight again, take your tears. She don't look till the work. Leave the people the way they get to arrange the problem. May they arrange the problem. No carry a long mob. May they say now you want can be okay. You want to be star for Facebook because you want to tell and say you don't fair fight. You don't fair fight. Now you don't leave them. You say you be God. So if you say that they will appreciate you, you don't know. Say for your back, that they just look and they laugh because you are a corpse. You are a corpse. You will come out your mob, talk rubbish anytime for Facebook. I'm ex-combatant. I did this. Choosing a palmarès. For example, say you don't keep people there. You do the you need to know because they keep fooling you. You lie yourself. You are fooling yourself, and you continue to fool yourself. Yes. God will call you say my country people. Some more dirty swine them, idiot them way. God don't permit them. Now for Europe, they don't can get small name. No, for Europe, they don't can get small name. So people them small can't have talk about the Paris. Now fit announce now today we get the name. Una ask people them they tell about me. Una call people they ask and me they tell about me. Dirty rat them. Dirty rat them. I dey tell una una never fail no. Now me look at me I be ground willy. I be ground willy. I feel advise any man. Una ask people they may they tell una who be willy de Paris. Una feel say na for Europe I can get name for willy de Paris. Now my name take plane come for this place for this Yoruba day too. Una feel say they will just come finish the problem. So anybody just a drink mimbo, it don't can be a storytelling. Yes, it can be, but I need say me the arrange because my village they go pay my village. Because when time to come, me self I'll go challenge that government for Cameroon day. I go enter that Cameroon. I see how they kill human being. Jesus Christ they be suffer, they suffer. Me I go see how they kill the human being. Now the question that you can never know me. Make the Amazonian be a story. Make it be a even storytelling. Understand? But some of we are proud. Even you where you don't fight the fight, live. I'm proud of you. But the only advice I feel going I say, you get to find a way for vanish because they go ball under you. You my petit frère they tell you. If in a matter for done, for wiseness, a wise pass all now. They will use you now, do all what you do. So after they will take you now make jollof rice. Yes, I tell you now. If you decide say you need to fight again, yes, you need to fight again. Make it remain in the fight again. Yes, she don't quiet. Maybe now you be government. Maybe now you be the government. Where you come here and now say you must do anything. You must fight. You need fight with it now. What to be a fight? What to be a place now? You need expose yourself. And when the million feel bad, some of the perica them, they even there. Look, some of them not even there in contact with the boys and they for Kondengi, where they for prison. We are picking them, they prison plenty. Innocent souls them, where they don't go catch them from womb, from Bafut, from Pingin, from everywhere they Kondengi day, where they suffer. Who go pay the charge of all those children? Who go pay the charge of all the children? When I feel say we finish so. I'm just I talk for 30 minutes. I want to 30 minutes, it remains 20 minutes. So I'll put my number. Anybody want call, Moku discuss. Make it call Moku discuss. Because they say some people ref here, they say the blessing no one talk. 3309 35 1086 5747. Anybody want call for say Moku take the temperature, make it call, no fear, na baba. Na me be baba. Na never know. Sometimes when they talking about the party. See me this is judge them. Someone of una just enter na Yaoundé na yesterday. Una corner for WhatsApp. Una enter Yaoundé na yesterday. Una never enter for that Yaoundé na ask us who be bully the party. Who be bully the party? Me and make even people the way they for government fear. They fear me. Na today they can't talk. Me na today I can't talk. When I question na hate. I don't talk say those people, the way they burn my village, they will pay for it. Go up, come down. I will take them to the highest place of this world. They will pay to that village where they burn and banga bakundo. When I bear it into my word, I need talk for nothing. I pick it for Abraham, for Moses. Now my phone number, that anybody want call, talk, make it talk. Anybody want call, make we discuss, make we discuss. So one day they need call and terrorists. The government their propaganda na waiting. Now for call any man terrorist. Na better propaganda that. Now for call any man terrorist. Na better propaganda that. Even the people them for the world, they need to call the boys them terrorists. Now they can't call them terrorists. If you where you be ex-combatant, you do call man where it is fight again, say terrorist. That means say you are a terrorist. You know what it mean terrorist? That means you say you are a terrorist. You know no say you are a terrorist, but you are a terrorist. You are a terrorist. And if you say terrorist, you were there for this, you dey saved. Your life na charcoal. Your life na charcoal. Your life na charcoal. So you convince man may leave am. Why you can't fight for you? Look, that way bomb explode for some place. The people are there for that place, they die. That way bomb explode for some place. The people are there for that place, they die. The struggle starts for day. Who will day for year? Now why that will remain for year? You understand? Any man carry a cross for a play with day. Any man carry a cross for a play with day. When I say after again, we'll come turn up against Yahweh, police will enter Southwest, knock people, then beat people there anyhow, molest them anyhow. So now today, when one can talk, say, Honorable Wemba, 2 way do for parliament, na dirty. 2 way do for parliament, na dirty. Because I need support now people them. 2 way, look, only that 2 way do for parliament, so they carry today, so the international well known. Only that 2 way do for parliament. That talk will be talk for parliament. When injustice becomes war, resistance becomes a duty. And I know when I go to that word, when I learn them again, before I want to know. Before I want to know. Idiot them, they rape una picking them, they beat una, burn una houses them, do now they can't beg again. Aye, my brother, I never see this kind of dirty rat them for my life since they born me. They rape una picking, they burn una whom my mommy they will belly, they burn the inside houses them. Burn picking them like a charcoal. Do every bad thing for this world. Now they can't beg again. Say no, now I do mistake. Instead from knock Hannah for table, say how no, our boys are out, we have to arrange this problem, fine. Now don't know how for now for table. Now the fish you don't too quiet, cover on the team up. When I hear can talk, yes. Answer my number, that might want talk for you, make it come up to talk. Mona leave this thing for you. I know like when I call the number. When I call the number, make it talk. Any man want talk for you, make it talk, make it talk. Make it talk, make it talk. But make cannot let una. Finally, the Pobia go call the people them. Make the shit don't arrange the problem. Even if in a Pobia, any man, they go do them. Make they solve the problem once and for all. So that in the generation to come, no man will suffer again, the dirty suffer, where we will not suffer. So people don't come born our villages and they come keep beg them. Me, I can't beg them. Me, the artist. I fit turn up, talk say yes, not true, but comment me, I'm not there for that rubbish. I'm not there for that rubbish. I don't say suffer. I know suffer. I know what it means suffer. So if today God will make me say, I feel even try buy even a charcoal, even a blockade for 3 people them. That means say God na machine. That means say God na machine. Now many people don't die. Would the Navy be able for buy that one? People that don't die with the Navy carry 1 AK. People that don't die with the Navy do nothing. Mommy them, big mommy that just for village, where they all man don't run live there, where they die because of sorrow. We not get to know today. So that country, not 2 countries where they can't be one. That country, not 2 countries they can't be one. And first personality get to be Frenchman, second personality get to be an Englishman. That one, if it get to happen, and it will happen. Otherwise, boys, continue your jobs and do what you are doing. God will bless everybody. Do what you are doing. If it is fight. Those who have courage, who have to fight. Fight the fight. It's a fight to fight until the last man fall. That no one has to say last man fall. Injure them because they don't go. Even time when this struggle start, Limbe, Boya, na place they still there as they day. Why they need to go finish them for the place where they get to go finish them? Okay, they put there for that village them. That one name na Cameroon. That one na close to Nigeria. Na delay right that if for call, na call na the number that na call talk for them and listen now. Injure them. I don't be for my own. I don't be for my position, so now be very careful. Especially when I see me, I don't be so I don't read so. Now be very careful. Dirty caricatural. How can I people like this? We not get no leader. We fit turn up talk for the people them. We not get no responsible man. We can't kind of for Joshua them. Joshua now be Joshua. That one will help who, dog? If he help who for this world? If he help who? If he help who? The SDF said, what the SDF get them get for Cameroon Day? SDF, what they get for Cameroon Day? They don't mix their face like charcoal, mix them, can't leave them. A part of Bamenda and Southwest. What the LGF get them again? They didn't get two tier. They didn't get 2 tier. On the bomba, be made bukam, big bukam. Nobody died to the foul. It died the foul. Leave Ambazonia. He leave the picking the inside suffer. Okay, be believe now for yourself. But if forget for no say, now God get the final judgment day. If forget for no plenty in them, say now God get the final judgment day. Now who the call so? Hello?
Hello, Willie.
Yes. This is really the party on them. Now who?
The question I want to ask you now, see.
You want to ask me a question? Or you want to talk?
Exactly.
Ask me a question now.
200 years ago, 300 years ago, some person for that land be talk English or French.
Perican also you. And now only you the call. If they say they don't send no for whether you cannot defend, you be defender for wait you. First of all, you need to be Englishman. My I tell you. I don't say you be Bamileke. You need to be Englishman. So I just tell you and tell her one time. So you don't get nothing for talk for this place.
Now,
yes, you don't feel you don't talk since you don't talk about background. You don't talk plenty time them. And you don't make me know so you don't be Englishman. You be Bamileke man. So anything if you do for here is an advantage of nobody. Let me just tell you, make you understand one thing. Now why that way last time you send me message and never answer you. You didn't understand me? Now that I say message I never answer you. Because if you want to talk make a list in you. Tell me what you want to talk. Don't ask me a question.
Okay, anyhow, what I want to now see.
Yeah.
The development for Southwest don't be 100% destroyed. And if you be an Amber supporter, una fit create another means where una fit fight for una goal, we una not actually destroy picking your school and the common life for people. Because I explain for you, every society for one day it get like kind of 1 million of activities because only you the job, you the drink water, you activities and that. So now no take just one activity for destroy the whole country. So if una fit do una Amber thing where una move picking your school away from it, una never meet the society still don't find another way for get una independent. That was no problem. Because today now people that you there for France, Ambassador people they go for America, they expect to be an American. So that time for people for the fight say Abinadima, that time don't actually pass.
You don't understand. I not cause you say you Bamileke. Me I not cause you. You get to be Bamileke. It's over. But this one what they make an for you. Now you tell me. Now you tell me. Now you tell me say Bamileke. Now you tell me. Now you tell me.
I laugh, tell you so because I don't say if I tell my identity.
No, now you tell me. Maybe not because you talk English where you feel say you are a Southern Cameroonian. You're not a Southern Cameroonian. And make this platform to talk about Southern Cameroonian. Okay?
We get for support a developed society. That is what's supposed to be important within the Bahrain.
Your own side where you come out if it be developed. Your own side where you come out.
We will be a citizen for the world. Our job, now me already to use WhatsApp. The person where you create them, you know the language where we talk is important. Now you there you use Facebook, is important. No man come on not supposed to be important. If you been a legend today, now what you feel offer to the society. Now what way are they still help for explain for you say you feel the educate your brothers and say una feel achieve the una goal, una not cause destruction. Black man is so behind. We don't need time for the destroy our own society in the name say we want
but now who did they destroy the society?
We need a parade.
Now who did destroy the society? Answer me. Answer me. Now who did destroy the society?
Amber brother they say that statement where they claim say Pope they have declared war. Pope they are not declaring a war. You know French. Pope they are not declaring a war against the English community.
You know what you mean?
Declaring against the against the people
what do you know? What do you know about? What do you know? Now brother did the call. Now Clovis did the call. What do you know about the declaration of war? What do you know about declaration of war?
If some one man wake up talk today say he don't talk say France go lost some part Paris or Bordeaux no go be in France again. Now what with that man on declare? This man say
people that they talk at any day. People that they talk at any day. Sometimes you have know. Go read French. People they talk every day for year. Where Monaco wants to pray for France. Since go read and find.
Now what are you doing?
Go read and find.
Go lucky. And they go lucky. This man go say and they go lucky me say.
But est-ce que les dynamiques ne lock some man? The one that they don't lock for French Cameroon.
Now why they now we just now declare one why they try for grand I know say grand. Not just the argue because argue when some perimeter talk to it makes sense. Talk say yes, perimeter don't talk to it makes sense. Now you don't know quote example for Monaco and for Bordeaux whatever. But I just say if some man go declare they go lucky. You know me say because say 1 million people talk something me say right.
But now but now you tell me say now you make me know say Pobia not declare war. Say Pobia not declare war. Say Pobia not declare war for Saudi Cameroon. He no declare war. He no declare war
against English community.
And wait till be make Honorable Weber go to for Parliament. If you name in our problem declare. Wait till be make Honorable Weber.
It's not if any man your common account talks on TV, so we consider say right. Did you say who be with?
So you want tell me say? So you want tell me say?
You know think about
so you want tell me? So you want tell me say? So you want tell me say? Honorable Wemba no be get right, eh? Now Joshua get right.
If he be get right, who say that mommy dey for village where we come? If he think about the mommy there, you know how go high for. Grand, listen when we talk. Think you know when they call you leader, you need to think only about yourself. You know me say because say we need to move as you must be president today. So because you know get eye problem, you know open eye hospital.
But you don't over. You don't get malaria. You know. Since this month, you didn't come. Since this month start, you always call me president. It be say I will be a president, sir. Because
now they tell you say now you don't fuck up because you join the door people and they repeat that for you.
So now you clever. You know what fuck up. See small picking the way they don't bond the ACD. Because your part they don't sell land, they was somebody come for you to come go small school, help your family. You know one come to tell people and say you don't fuck up. What do you know about the revolution? What do you know about people fighting for their right? What do you know about people standing up for their right? Forget take Clovis. Let's say take Clovis the call now so. Take Clovis. Take different call. Take different caller. The perimeter so now some different way. He respect me fine, but I understand the position. But the money for Southwest, let's say he farms them, they farm them, maybe they don't run because all of this war. But I rather tell them I say, good war no day. Good war no day for this world. No man no like war and good war no day. No war no day where you go for right and for Bible like that one at Clovis. No, not Clovis. Hello?
Yeah, Willie.
Yes, Papa.
Yeah, man.
Now, how for you, no, my brother? I hear you, eh? I hear you. You hear me?
Yeah, I said.
Yes, but try slow down another volume now.
Okay, just 1 moment. So, my slow.
Perican, are you again?
Yeah, you hear me now?
I hear you, yes. Go on, I hear you.
Yeah, I said I want to act now for this guy who just come on with call.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to just talk and say, you know, say, you know, this struggle is so complicated because first and foremost, we talk English, not be all be sounding Cameroonian.
That is it. Because any idiot will come to not say my country people there will be brother. Exactly. No. More not confuse them inside this place.
Exactly. People in the way they talk pidgin English like me I used to way that bastard them who do them back the way they don't grow inside Southern Cameroon. So for that one, not one will call the talk against we way be indigenous Southern Cameroon. But I want to talk about this family for the day for ground zero. Since when the war start, really, whenever you say Amber Boy don't go cast some Francophone man or some family big group for Amazonia, killer. Whenever you no side, whether not for Libya, whether not for Bamenda or for whose side, whenever you say Amber Boy don't target some family, came out when a Francophone go kill them.
Yeah.
But they do well armed with. If they want to engage one against family, go ahead and stay inside Saudi Cameroon. They go engage them. No, be say we don't know them. We know them.
No. But you know say You know
no be
say,
against Bamileke, no be
but you know
against
say,
Bamako,
you know say we never fit for that side no because the war them na so the Bamileke na our
no be
brothers.
so dey.
Yeah.
Yes, that's not I want try to talk. So I don't want appeal for this guy where they call a Francophone guy the way they not feel the pain when we feel am.
That is it.
Yes, they don't feel that pain because their ancestry not be from that land.
That is it.
So they know they feel the pain.
That's
they know
right.
they take we like they know they consider we like brothers. Them.
Yeah.
I want to say this marginalization where they cry so this speaking the way they grow up, where they be francophone, the way they grow up for Southern Cameroon, they never feel that. Because if you go for your own, they want find work where you be anglophone, where you talk English, where you be originally Bamileke. You go for your own, they go put your dossier there. They go see your name because for that country, you know say if you call Manway come up
Ma take.
we go know.
I bet talk for 1 minute.
Manway come out Bassam,
Drop for 1 minute here. I might take different man. I bet put it call.
okay, no problem.
Okay. Might take different man. Hello.
Hello, Grand Willie.
Yes.
Actually, salam, my brother.
Mutual they throw you salute. This is the king of the king.
Inshallah. I said the two me at work talk now, so I always emphasize about this struggle. This struggle don't be a very good struggle, but now things are don't turn to a different level. Where it always can like they can talk all about like for be like why you need to talk about the way the crimes, the atrocities, the way Amber boys they commit and why.
Amber boys they never ever commit. Amber boys they Amber look at make I tell you something first. Make I tell you something.
If you open
Make I tell you something. Make I tell you something. I not feel like atrocities them. Understand? Eh? Me and I feel one say if you be say God help say make the war finish, that is two. I will be okay with it, okay? But the problem when me I get a person I say if my brothers them they don't walk up because they don't can rape my picking them, because they don't can kill, burn my house, burn my village, but every my brother walk up.
burn villages, yeah.
Me and Nephi be against my brother. That is it. I don't know whether you understand me.
Clear.
Voila.
I get to.
Voila. When your brother fight some fight, you first fight the fight. You first fight the fight with your brother before I ask you say, my brother, what is really happen?
Wait, gang. If you talk say Amber boy they commit crime, that means I'll just talk say you they out of the.
No, now say one take up my mouth. I need be analyst for crisis. I need be analyst for crisis. Brother. Yes.
See, when something go on, if find more face the fact. If the man do wrong, to say this man do wrong, when I call it to order. You understand?
That is it. You get the point. You get the point. But make I tell you something. Now me I dey live na inside majority. Okay? I dey live na inside majority. The majority means say waiting. If you want go to 10 of the crime system, maybe Amber don't cause 3 of them, 7 na the opposite side. You understand me?
I get you.
Yes. So they get their own thing they don't do away be wrong. But so fast now my brother, I'm not there for you for judge them. That is it all.
Grandma tells
yes. So I want to take different man. Drop. I want to take different man. People never call.
When I never like to hear the truth, that's a simple thing.
But you, I say make you drop. Make you drop. Talk your belly. Drop. Why anytime I say. Why anytime we I want to talk for some man wait me I feel. Una dey ever talk say una no one una. Me now will lead the party.
Okay, you don't talk your own way. If you want one that make different man talk.
But at the listing you never say make you drop different protocol.
Because you know why listen to it me to I want talk now. Because you know what I mean the population here wait to me I want talk.
They listing you. Never say make you talk. They listing you.
But why? Yes, why you tell me say man drop it?
No, I said take 1 minute. Take 1 minute. Drop your talk.
Then if I make me I talk there after I don't finish talk now. If you drop me there, you continue the talk.
Voila, I listing you. Talk now.
That way this struggle will start for 2016. You know, say and say.
Talk louder. You talk small. Talk louder.
That way this struggle will start for 2016. You know, say and say majority of the population will deal with the Amber boys, but today where are the population? Amber the back off because of the kind thing the way they see them. Amber boy no catch you they ask 4 million. No be say them say
They kidnap people, take ransom. Even Etapang Ivory can start make live show. Other kidnapping of bush followers and so on. No be one time, no be two times.
A beggar, look at a beggar. You know the Panapo way to say a beggar have no choice. You know the Panapo way to say you know the Panapo to say a beggar have no choice. You know the Panapo way to say a beggar have no choice. But you know the Panapo way to say a beggar have no choice. You know the Panapo.
You know so.
Eh?
Because even the so-called fighters, one of Field Marshal or whosoever, they are picking the day they go school for Douala and Yaoundé. Even Sako come the so-called president. He come on, can they congratulate Field Marshal picking Zenion Pass GC for Douala, while other poor villagers, the farmers, they are picking the day for villagers. They need to go school.
Now what do I tell you? A beggar have no choice. A beggar have no choice. You know the Panapo? Ma take Clovis. Clovis one talk. No first ma cut Clovis. Clovis get plenty things they will talk for you.
Hello.
You just I don't say now you. I don't say now you.
Hello.
I don't say now you talk now the listing.
Yes. I want ask you. You say Amber Boy never ever commit atrocity.
Where you ask me a question.
I ask you a question, then after I go talk. I get question or ask you, then maybe answer.
I don't talk say. Two I say.
Yeah.
I be Georgia or I be my analyst for crisis.
Okay, now me I want tell you.
I never finish answer you.
Wait, no, okay. Yes, okay, talk at the end.
I don't talk say. If the atrocity them the day over 10, and but they don't cost 3, and the opposite side don't cost 7. Where it means say they are on too much.
Why you get for talk so?
But because the numbers are they in line. The numbers are they in line.
Fine. Willie, I want to ask you, you ever see Amber Boy with your eye? Since when the fight start, face to face, you ever see them?
You, my petit frère, I don't ever see you face to face.
You don't ever, I mean, since when they fight, I mean, now when they fight don't start for 4 years. You don't ever meet Amber Boy face to face, you don't talk.
But for some like I talk with Amber Boy, what you go there, na day for them.
Willie, me, I want to tell you now, like, one of the picking the way they don't commit atrocity to them. If it atrocity don't happen 10, Amber don't commit 9.
Government.
Okay, I want to quote you one example. For Bui, where they buried 39 picking they alive, now they bury them.
You ask me, no, you before day.
You ambassador, I know they for interim government. No, I want to ask not
the who there for interim government? Who there for interim government?
You know why you bacho?
Me, I be willing to party.
Listen, I tell you, Ganfe, I want to teach you where to be Amber where you don't know because I can't teach you not teach you, not because any Amber.
But you can't teach me. It's kind of for school there for you. Ask me, give your opinion. Give your opinion.
I want to tell you, anyone okay, Willie. You know how to hear the truth because me.
Whose truth you want to tell me? Give your opinion. You give your opinion.
Okay, Willie the party. I want to ask you second question again.
Yes.
You talk say Cameroon, Saudi Cameroon, will not ever be a country. I want to ask you say 3,000 years ago, before the coming of Britain and France, Cameroon be the talk English and French.
So you know history so you know history so before you know be lecturer for some school. You can't ask me whether Cameroon. You can't tell me about 3,000 years ago. 3,000 years ago. That means say you surely get rich.
Willie the party, you don't say no one for learn now. You be very stupid. If you can't pay away, you know one for learn.
So you don't come for here one coach me say I don't want learn. So you go school past me. That means say pay for get wish.
Willie the party, you don't miss roads for join Amber Balok.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't miss
Thank you very much. You don't finish. You don't finish because for the call.
Willie, wait.
You don't finish.
Wait. I never finished now. What did he?
No, because you don't stand up for coach me. If you start coach me I dey stop am because you know get argument in the beginning.
Okay, wait.
Me I never coach you.
I never coach you again.
No, coach me self. Coach me, but coach me say I talk. I no get clear for coach man. Let man coach me. I no get no problem.
I don't ask you, sir.
Yes.
I don't ask you very simple question.
Yeah.
I want to call you one atrocity and the other. Now, maybe I tell you something if you don't know. You see Amber.
Yeah.
There is no general for Amber but they will never kill a fighter. Or don't kill her. Inside Kumba Hospital, no they born am na Amber born her. Cha killed 39 picking the bury am alive. when a ADF fighter them. The very ADF go for Batibo, now close to 18 massacre. More tell you something, we lead a Paris French man never kill Anglophone man as how a Anglophone don't kill Anglophone.
Okay.
Maybe I tell you, maybe you know that very well. Wait whether the fight I'm not being independent, not topical terrorism and business. Make me I tell you something where you don't know what to happen for ground. When the years until they call you. So listen, you know very well, say me I believe you are there for the truth. Really, me I tell you something. You see Amber na Balok. Amber na the worst that ever happened for the ground. I don't be inside, tell you which way they.
Why you enter inside?
You know why I enter inside? I go put your point, I go tell you no good. Well, you get time, me I talk.
Talk no. Now me I don't take you. I don't see say na you. Never take you.
I enter inside because I was misled. Because I be feel say I go change Cameroon. I be feel say we go get a better government. I be feel say Amazon and get some good thing for give we. And maybe ever know say na very bad people. They get evil agenda. They bad part. The so-called people that they feel say more feel like say freshman. We cannot tell you Amazon and wicked pass any human being on earth when I Anglophone them. Make me I tell you, mate.
And where you be one? And where you be one of them?
Yeah, I be part of it. Yeah, I be part of it. I let me tell you.
So
I
now,
was part of it.
so now you don't be a part of people the way they against them.
Because in a bad thing, no matter be against them, a bad thing they do, and they accuse it over and over. Ask yourself, so why be say boy they surrender every day? Ask yourself that question.
Who don't surrender? Don't say you don't surrender. Who don't surrender? Who don't surrender?
Who be Nambere? Who be Nambere?
Eh?
Who be Nambere?
Nambere na you know.
Who be Godi?
Okay, Nambere no na you. Nebe ni ya papa. Nebe ni ya papa.
You know it.
Nebe ni ya papa.
No, surrender. I want to ask you.
But you call me people the way they don't pay una make una come distract people them. You call me their name them. They don't pay una. They don't make una as a group for come fool people them. And then for carry una come back. They want come get them and say people they live. But why the thing never finish? Okay, as you don't finish though, make I go she don't quiet 1 month. Yes.
Really, she don't quiet. So she don't quiet. Will I tell you what to be?
No, petit frère, don't tell me say she don't quiet. You got to respect me. You got to respect me. I need to cost you. Don't tell me say she don't quiet. No, tell me say she don't quiet. You didn't have my phone. You did for my life. Okay, I'm gonna take different man now. Because I don't leave petit frère make me na talk. You get lucky for talk with the party. Now locking for hello. Now locking for same man. You get lucky for talk with me. Talk sense. Never can tell me say idiots. This guy, you need the worker. Then I call him now. You call the perica. You my petit frère. When I see you, I take you because I know say you want talk. You want pass your message. So don't make say you want talk for this man don't call no. This man the particular man don't call. No, the particular man don't call. I not take you again. Hello, Nai. No, you already talk. I not take you again. Better man take different man. Take man way no affair talk. I tell people they don't know affair talk. I tell people they don't know affair talk. I need take people they already talk. The one can begin the destroy us again. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, slow your volume down outside, please.
Yes, now we need the party.
This is really the party. Amber boy, na me.
Yes. Yeah, okay. I don't know you come up for talk with some loser.
I get kind one here they call for you. Na my perica na province where we keep fight with the number.
Yes, but how grandfather how you go remind you talk that kind of person when I lose them?
All man get right for
that man now is in a hungry man. If you say BB Amber. You understand?
Yeah.
If you say BB Amber, so in no pass you, so he want to tell you about Cameroon, now say Cameroon may not be na Cameroon for the time for German.
3,000 years.
Cameroon talk na German.
3,000 years.
The Republic talk na German.
You know, kill me, 3,000 years ago.
No, ask the history Amber, he don't kill how many people? How many people will kill him before he run? Now hungry and you know say in the sin alanga fight follow the mind of a grave no. Now say you go eat a grave. Yes.
Okay, Papa.
No, to be sincerely, because if you talk say Amber na mistake, they be brainwashed. In even shame was talk say they brainwash because Amber, you know, at her age, they brainwash na 17 years because he never been matured. They brainwash na 16 years because he never been matured. They don't brainwash your whole married home. If you go above, if you go to 40 years, they brainwash it.
Na Perica.
No, that's not Perica, that's not Langa. Tell us, yeah, who said the year I talk? Tasting a Langa.
Ma, take
That's not Langa. Mango, Langa. The man put that.
Ma, take different man too, Papa.
They will follow person in the grave.
Ma, take different man too.
Okay.
Thank you, my brother. Clovis, they were committed for Cameroon. I will give you some member way. You will drink that member, and after I will Kenya last. Because you try it.
Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Mm-hmm. I listen you, my brother. You don't. You dey live.
Now we need a party.
Now we dey party this.
Okay. I said you did pick that Clovis call. It want try for educate you. If you over know why they be free enter Amber.
Now kill me, oh. Now he tell me no. I never deny man do man not pick my call. I pick all man they call. Many man give his own idea. You understand me? I hope say you get me. Hello? Mo take different man. The one at Cameroon, man take Cameroon small. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello.
Hello? I'm getting you, please. Are you getting me?
We need a party.
Yes. They're listing you, my brother.
Okay, my brother. I saw salute for every day.
I throw you 100 salute.
Yes. I want first of all react for Clovis because when you talk, you come for this show. Never say me all man actually contribute for what it happen on ground.
Yeah. Now the men that some people they come for they come for na for come show na.
It means that themselves be really maroon. They be fools. They fool themselves. Who the fool who for this struggle? Now who the fool? They not tie Clovis the eye for go join Amber. Amber na me and you and Clovis. But they decide. Any man where if a Southern come in and Amber.
But nothing way they don't know.
No, be some particular people them, like how we hear say for North, he get Boko Haram. Amber na any man where they talk English for Southern Cameroon.
Yeah.
As you be Southern Cameroonian, you be an Amber.
Yeah.
This back. He and Amber, all the people that were in mention are all, they are all black legs. They are all, in fact, they pack their bags, come out. Me they locked their mob. If the fight don't pass them, me they locked their mob. The real fighters they dip down. The real fighters if the fight don't pass them, me they close their mouth. I know get plenty for talk. I listen you every blessed day.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. You say, how can you call? This is the number here. You can join this number and call. You can call from this number, okay? We still have again about 15 minutes. So you can call. You can call from this number. Me, I take any man for you. May any man give a point. No come insult me. I don't insult no man. Because me, for come insult me, because me I feel be, I no grow fine. I no grow me for some blockhouse. I grow for Carabao house. So my own education, bad pass all money. Bad pass all man education. I already take you now, Perica. Me, I don't take you. I don't take you, Perica. No, I don't take you. I don't take you now, Perica. Slow your volume for that sign, no.
Hello, Gary.
I don't take you now, Perica. You see, say stop your call again. I don't fit take you. Then I say he don't come again. Bon, anyhow it dey. Oh no, Moku take different man because man I know. Man they give. I want people that will talk sense at least. No, the young guys. Okay, Moku take it. Moku listening for 2 minutes again. Yes, they listen you. They listen you 2 minutes. No, because when I call after they want to make you talk something reasonable, but you don't want to talk something reasonable. Do I talk now on our own sabi?
You say all my opinion count. If someone talk
your opinion, I can't tell me for you say Amba they don't kill, Amba they don't do that, Amba they don't do that. Yeah, all opinion that all man they didn't know. Talk they listening you. Are they listening you? You need talk louder now. You talk small. None for me talk. You don't for crowd.
Any man we know say no, he over like Amber. Make can join the Amber. Or
okay.
Any man vex the Amber, they drop their gun. Make can carry the gun.
No man over vex it. No man over vex it. Amber they drop their gun. No man over vex. You don't listen who vex Amber, you drop a gun. No man over vex. Man take this man because you already talk. Man take this man. The man they call since we talk. No, you know you got nothing for talk. Any man where you don't talk. Hello? This man in phone too now some phone where they take you 200 times your phone in the pass. So no man never vex say Amber if he gone. No man never vex. Any man get your opinion. So any man where man take this man because you they take your phone in the pass. Hello?
Well, really, greetings of love.
Yes. Now I know my brother.
Yeah, I know better. I share for the work.
I share, Papa. No, thank you very much.
I go talk some more for long.
When
this small picking them, when this small picking them long come, they call you for line, God. And they look then they really surprised, they wonder for them. First, I say now few people them where they don't deflect, where they be being at this thing, they be being a higher people them for the struggle. First, I say any of them where they don't deflect. When this thing will start, from that 1st October, we go for outside Google match. None of them no be there inside. Any man will don't deflect from this struggle now because if you see the gain where it checks if he make up. And because they become in because of that ideology for make gain. Now why that government buy them off the struggle immediately? Or they number them, they close them, they cover them.
Yeah.
Just to name a few. First, I say plenty people them feel say this struggle an ideology. It not be ideology. Nothing where it belong be for existence. And now why that they don't feel out.
Nothing where they don't know. Nothing where they don't know.
Yeah. Even if it been an ideology, just the fact say two people they want to and they know say now the thing that way they want them. It won't ever continue. Secondly, I say all these people when they come, they don't bribe them with few cash them, they go to the DDR center. Most of them don't know where to be freedom and the cost of freedom. And they don't know where to be independent. Even French Cameroon as a whole, no get independent till today. Yeah. They forget say few people them, they for government, they feel work make some more propaganda them, work with the government for Cameroon. Now government, when you get the assets for the government, you work for chop for your own self. Nobody say you work now for the government.
But would you see where nobody see where the man they do on today? The man for SDF.
Yeah. Yes. Well, even the people them where they be there for SDF, plenty people them for 92, plenty people and die for Bamenda as a whole and Southwest because of SDF. Because for Nijon, but at the day end wait to eat one. But you check say if you predecessor or if it behave so it change anything from wait to or see Joshua they do now. There's no difference. So even the people then where they don't deflect now, even that the same thing that because their ideology at the first point be been for thief, they be checking and say they struggle that thing way they be get to go enrich themselves. And even this talk where they talk about, it not be only for the people then where they don't deflect. Even the people where they see or they struggle, they check and say they get to enrich themselves. People when they die, they get to enrich themselves now for blood for people and where they die for ground zero. Because when the military man come for one gang, you know they check and say you hold on. When they go for gang and born money house, they know they check and say they want to fight their house or they want to be fighter. So any person when get that kind of ideology, then we close this them would not better than get them. Close this the one talk. Now said when people don't be bound for no get knowledge. Even knowledge not between where they get and only for school. You know say that picking already miss the trap because they Yannick. You take say you will key this thing they close this key how many military people there. Or if you want to say no key military people, then that means from the onset, if they work now for government. So it takes say you key 10, 20 military people then for government, then government take a year and the wine, then one day they go call say they don't reintegrate it. They open their fangs for the place, they check say that's on better thing. Now very long key many. You still order their cycle, then would Yanigi and Kawa. No be the other time they did for DDR to center the cry, better be there for day before they cry. Any man wait there for this fight. If you don't tire for fight, go for ground one, go rest. Any person will be enter for this fight with the genuine heart, you see your own prospect for field, you know, say he enter. Well, now you want it for day, they make all this activism. So now say, you don't take some one fight for some person before you do it. Now because you know what way the struggle be about, and you know say, it no be nothing way it be na just cause even for the people that where they dey for ground. Excuse you dey for day, so now say you chop na the government the money, or you dey live now for house where they for the government for the government the land.
Yes,
But you dey fight now for people where they dey back home. So when these few pocket people they don't come. When they sit down, they hear say they long military, or they want to talk say they know the year. They know. Me no be say when they key one amber fighter, the government take and brandish and be there and say they key 20. For all this while along the year, the Polo News them, the government they talk say they attacked 2 camp. From 2018, government they attacked at 2 camp, and they key at 13 amber them. You know when I check say free no go school, they know the ritual, I don't understand. But when I don't understand, when they key military man, government they hide them. But okay, just today, along they get information for Sarah, they say, Bamenda be shot abruptly. Then they check say problem no day before the Bamenda they shot abruptly.
Voila.
So me they stop that thing them. And thank you very much, really. Just continue for their activism and may God give you power. Me these people, and when this small picking them comes, they don't even respect their big brother. They don't feel say as they get food, they get 100 phone, they feel put small that was 250, they feel cost any man as will. But God they will get away about brother.
Now one spirit, my brother.
Yeah.
Take care. Okay. I don't come into the final part. But if I don't take una I still come again. I don't take una. I still una who don't pay una make una come begin do propaganda. Una who don't pay una who the pay this begin them. Who the pay the dinner? Perika na who the pay una? Who the give una money? Make una do propaganda. I don't take you. You already give your own. You want come back again? Oh, Perika them.
Now why I want to understand me. Yeah, wait. I talk to
you return for who them? Wait, don't you una? You want na my phone this. Now they made a call.
No, because so I meant they la call after they started talk away about Meleke. Wait. Yeah, wait. I say we one go declare.
No bring up.
No, they said to about Meleke. And the people they don't argue. You see the last caller now.
I know one me code. No nothing for you. I don't want to talk about anything about Meleke. Now me I tell you say you be Bamileke.
Exactly. But I don't say and what you're doing I say once on your caller they can call. You get right to for it. Them call you be not and you get wisdom. For example, my explain for you very well. I talk something about we but no understand me. I not talk say people not get right for fight. But you get for think before people want go into war. Now why that way you see European war they different. Now strategy. They don't come closer, they will keep their civilians. We go work go talk for parliament. You know think about mommy for village. You be say so you if you be smart and way your caller but they will say, hey, baby, talk continue. Would one go find also will keep our mommy them. Now one point that it be very important. You not misquote me.
Look at the two ways I say you don't understand what you mean revolution. You if you say revolution about
I understand the revolution.
You say revolution a Bible. We must read them. Give for another man.
So many people left their picking and to for our land. They don't send their picking for Douala Yaoundé. Now the man the way he go is the way he say Valerie which we go to interview for Prime TV. He picking and for Douala. What is this ground? No,
the matter I say, you know that's how you make revolution. When you understand them, you will get them better.
So me poor that picking and suffer them in the rich one and send their picking.
Who be poor? Me say I be poor man in begin or I be rich man in begin. Ma take this man, the man they call.
So the poor one, they wouldn't think about them. Now say we
take this man to
Perika. Think about the mommy the village.
Ma take this man to the man they call.
Okay.
Where my Perika them? Yes, hello. I hope say now so you go pass because their number you don't have a call. I take any pass.
Yeah. Even Gawili.
Even Papa now for you.
Oh, we thank God to what they cool. Yeah.
They're listing you.
You get me?
They're listing you.
Yes, that's it. When they talk of revolution, some people will not understand what it means by revolution.
I know.
You see like this Clovis are just a young petite frere when this tramadol banger don't push into that issue. Then he find himself now in the situation where you don't get which Joe got in this sort of place. Yeah, when they talk of revolution, you go see like what La Republic don't do. Where they don't start to kill people. Wake up with the amber, they also say no, we don't want La Republic. Now, we the amber, they don't wake up, we take up arms, we start full support to the amber people. Oh, the amber and Nantu don't turn say no, they kill some of us. We don't wake up say no. We want back La Republic people, better na La Republic. That's what they call revolution. They think the thing will just go all that way the way we think say it will go. You will see this side, they will wake up blame this side, they wake up blame this side. So that's what it happen. But for those amber boys, like which way some of them that they do them now, because most this thing they happen now for Southwest. Because I just come out Cameroon. That boy didn't carry me enter for bush, and you know if you imagine, Papa.
They carry enter bush.
They carry me enter for bush. Any man we there for abroad, just you don't make mob. May be careful when you go for down there. They go know which way they. Some of those boys they all that way they make as soon as to get money to live, because which way the leaders they don't do for update they do. They don't push some of those boys and for they do this kind of act now, kidnap people, ask a ransom, all that kind of stuff. We no fine. No fine, so.
My brother,
So all of us
no man no like war.
yeah.
If you finish today, all man go glad. Yeah, no. If you finish today, all man go
If you
glad.
finish the Omar glad.
Voila. So
Yeah.
the matter with them and I say, we get my problem. Now say, then if you come, kidnap or picking them, rape a woman them, burn or picking them, do everything, and then now we will come back against the normal say, one live we in peace, one live we in peace, one live. Look at the thing they pain me. If they say, your picking go tell you say I not get money for go school. Eh? And then you not find solution, and then you want me reach school. I don't understand.
Massa.
I don't
That one
understand.
thing like dog way don't vomit, go back to lick the vomit.
Voilà.
Ça ne vaut pas la peine.
Voilà. So like people that they misquote me, they feel sometimes say me I not there with nobody. I dey fight na my pain where I dey feel am to the bottom of my heart. Now I dey fight them, and I dey fight them. How I dey fight them for the level I get to fight them. So now so this well.
Yeah.
Okay, man, take the
That's
phone.
La Republic is. Okay, thanks very much.
Yes, hello.
Hello?
Yes, hello, Papa. You say
Yeah,
what?
okay, Willie.
Yeah.
Well, I want to throw away some small light before your show closes. You know, from the beginning when this thing starts, where I hear some person can't talk, say they not declare war on us, they not declare war on us. From the beginning, when this thing start, I think for November where President Biya declare war on the English people then. If you say Amber na all man. It starts where we deal with peace plan for our hand. No man will be making idea for who God.
Yeah.
They can't start where the start will fix them. Because the brutality become plenty. Knife enter, then guns enter. They intensify their killing and rape and mass burning. Bury people that are alive. Destroy so many lives. Now for the way they see gun enter now inside the issue. So person who come talk say we but not be think about where you go keep the people them. Were the Saudi Cameroonians prepared for the war? Yes or no? Now no. Which way would they do it? Would they do an offensive? Would they protect? Now revolution. Infiltrator don't enter inside, pay agent don't enter inside, but discard like Ambers there. They don't even know why way they bring in an idea of stabilization force. Where the integrated person belongs to the group. So that if any crime be
posted inside that territory. They go channel directly for the head of that group. But I want all those Clovis, all the Namberes, and all the other to make the one thing say, this is a no blink generation. We will not blink. We must see the end for this thing. This generation, so it don't start up. So how many generations we don't kill a donkey, donkey, so many. In days of NCNC, they don't kill how many. They shut their mouth all. Even President Paul Biya go for France. He also assimilate Anglophones them. They don't ever ask you why he give that statement. You know the meaning of assimilate?
Not true.
They know the meaning of assimilate? So you try to make person maybe under you way. You know, belong under you. You know, belong for your house. You try to take your neighbor, you begin for a house, me be a begin.
That is it.
By force.
That is the word.
By force, but it resist. Say, no, you are not my father. It belongs to you. But you take it by force, you beat it, torture it, do ultimately fear. If today, Clovis and the Wuka didn't make noise, they talk all those their things and say, maybe population will be with them, be with the armor boys when the thing be start. Yes, it will start because by then, the minute to know, they actually intensify their killing and burning. If population don't enter inside their shells now, where all man is support now underground, that because they don't throw ammo cars inside Saudi Cameroon. Throw more guns, they throw so many bad things the way people they fear enough for show up.
Never I tell someone and say, you know what you mean? A beggar have no choice.
It's true.
A beggar have no choice.
A beggar have no choice, bro. A beggar have no choice. They don't get choice now.
Voila.
They don't get choice now.
So
if you go for inside villages, then inside villages, then they go tell you say they no one like the people. Cause now to me, go make all this thing conference. He say come in open up say most on 70% of Anglophones South Cameroon they want independence.
yes, he talk him.
Why they no cash killing when he be talk so?
Voila.
Why?
Some man they already call. Ma take it to just drop.
Okay, bro. All right, bro.
Yeah. Ma take this man over call. This man over call. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello. Good afternoon. Maybe you'll be the last caller. At the listing you, Papa, slow your volume for that another side. You see, you call the listing you, but I say you listen now for your own television. The way you want a normal television where any man get to abide to. So anyhow, they may I tell you something. I say no man no like the level for the listing way they. But if you be say it can't happen, say una they deny say maybe people they know she don't down discuss. If they know she don't down discuss, how una want to make it finish? But if I was waiting, say una live, una come, una live, una gone, una come, may una come, government don't hear, una cry, government. No, so that they are arranging them. Not so that they are arranging them. But I don't take you. Hello, I don't take you.
Hello.
Yes, slow your volume for that other side. They're listening you, Papa.
Okay. Yeah, Grand Wally.
Yeah, now Willie. Or you call me Amber Boy. That's my
name. Yeah, of course, so now for that very periphery, they call them so that Clovis. when they shit on for Cameroon, they talk say we would be outside there, so no more come for grounds. They go for fight. They fight. If you say they fight now, they start up. When they talk to me, they come back. They eat there for that boy. I will eat there for this. So you get common ID card. When sometimes they pay for the show, so they don't talk all that things they do for boy, all that things they make and so with Clovis, Yambere, as they talk, so all we would see what you did, they do with them. Me no mean say as no day for ground zero, I so only see what you the past today. All we would see what you the past.
Now the matter that.
But when people just show up, they say this or the government, when it talks to government, the struggle always make the fight finish. Government the fight is strong enough for which way? You know how many brothers they don't lose them from zero? So some country they when they talk sometimes when mama come for your phone or come for line for talk anything, I Ali me check and find. Ali run laws or brother, run laws or sister the way. And military can't shoot and for your phone so the same. I'm not something. Me I come also been a driver for that very road the can so. But men that man fin I will be the runner. But come on country, no be say they even for country they fine. But now for the condition for the pay.
Now the matter that may they finish the war and then now may can be say
when does the war on when does the war on finish already very today, so what happen for old church?
No,
so when something this, so when my one can talk something, me talk to him at least if he left the situation with the first time now, so me just she want to talk anything if he talk correct.
No, the lack of respect, no. But I can't tell me say overdo, I no get sense. Me what
get sense? It day for boy, it day under government. Wait till government run jam for them. Wait till day with the government. If jam, if me encourage to our guy they for come out for bush, come see me they come for outside.
Now the matter that.
And when anyone talk, even the talk of government or who, even the Amber boys, they ever call them Atanganji get or Amber boys them. So when they talk destruction for Amber boys them, most of the destruction them now you look at the one for minister for Atanganji Paul. I'm not something they hide. I'm not managing the high face for this thing now. So
now the matter that.
So when you want to talk, when any man can bring something, we can't talk more talk na the truth we dey for ground. It also people the day with the own car picking the volume for Douala car picking volume for inside they go school. They at least the community school they try their own level, they fit try for teach the small picking the small one they picking the field now. I mean COVID-19 too they disturb the most of the parts me picking they no go school.
Not true, Papa. Not true.
So when that kind of color one me call one distract or some kind of thing they will do for outside so man they see fine. But when man they see what you way they pass for pay, man run a bullet.
No, all that.
So sometimes when man want to talk something, me talk nothing. If he, like even today, so if the thing finish today, so we will be now the first people that for land for airport for come out. But if I say we not don't man want enter Cameroon, bag man would enter na through Nigeria at least. Now the thing that is saying with the overvex. Yes. No, because when man don't want to talk something, me talk to me at least. If he help the government, me man not support government for what you government do. Think government do and no fine. Fight stand for us. Now for road we get and for.
Take this la call to me talk to.
No problem.
Okay, Papa, thank you. Take you to last caller. Me talk your own. Hello.
Yeah, hello, Grand Willie.
Yes.
Yes, I'm just so happy say I don't get, this opportunity for contribute for this show. I'll be one of your silent followers the way you don't follow what you do, and I want first what there is they do very well, because your voice it really help, for give people them for down, especially those boys them courage, it give them hope. So thank you for that one. So I will just respond to all the callers the way I don't hear them, they don't contribute today. So I will just respond across. So I beg you, give me a little bit of time.
Talk, they listen you.
Yeah, some caller be the talk of first of all say President no be declare war. But President no supposed to just can't declare war openly like that, because from all way to it happen, if you look at very well, the people that don't kill them, especially for Ground Zero Day, you should say it was just indiscriminate killing. So if they be only the killing at the restoration forces them or the Amber boys them, it will be okay. Say okay, they declare one only for Amber boys, but they kill up plus picking them. I mean, picking them as little way, you don't even know nothing. When why even start creep, they'll just shoot and blow a head. Now I mean, say that. So that caller, when he talks say President no declare war, he give for real understand say war no mean as saying you can't declare openly, but from their action that we don't know say they declare war now for all my way that part of the country.
Yeah.
So yes, then okay. So other caller, he talk of Wiba, he contribution. Where Wiba, when he talk, I believe say now one of the people they don't really open up a lot. They don't give that courage for people then to fight.
Yeah.
Because if they really be talk, we know for really know a lot in the way they happen for that country. But the fact that it talk, it open up a lot. And then I want to ask all man where in the fight, whether in the fight now for government, especially those where they did for that DDR center now, like that Clovis. I don't say you listen to me, Clovis. If today or tomorrow this country it can get some sort of peace, because after everything they can't get a position where they will put people down, they will talk and they will solve the problem. Which side this people where they fight now against these boys them, where they give their life, they go be now for which side? Because if this country don't find tomorrow, now people the way they don't give their life for, they don't fight. And some call up the talk of how the Amber boys they commit atrocity. Obviously, yes, they get access to them, they get the way they don't do it, correct, and no man need to support that. Even you, I know you need to support that one, but even for this country where they now so UK, the country, the fight, some soldiers they go commit atrocity for Iraq, even to American soldiers, they persecute them. But they just understand say some soldiers they go for war fraud, they do things the way, even the people the way where they be maybe responsible for them, they need to be in support of, but just their actions then. So maybe people they get this thing straight. Say once as everything go don't come to a position where whether a federation, whether not independent, you are in the fight for federation. Concentrate the fight for your federation. You are the fight for your separation. Concentrate to the fight now for your independence. But when I want there for me though, when I fight people the way they give their life for this thing, at the end of it, I don't know who someone will be because now the people they don't fight. Because if anything happens, now they one way they don't fight to give that position for the talk where it will happen where they will don't down come to the position where they will say, okay, may they go to the root cause of this problem. So may any man knows how where it fight for. Choose your position wisely because after everything, we will know who be who. Because all the one they fight now, so especially when they look at DDR center, at the end of it, we will know their position because may not can't take glory for two they not be fight for. You understand? So any man know a position. If you fight for DDR, say you fighting now for government because you not even supporting way government. You do government, you do things there. Government if the soldier them. If you see the most of the atrocities the way they don't commit them, now government soldiers they don't commit more of these atrocities against our own people. Amber boys they don't commit, yes, we know, but the kind of way they do them. None of the way soldiers they do them. So you know if you compare to way Amber boys they do with the way soldiers they do. Amber boys they need to go bomb people their houses them. You understand? So one day some of these Amber boys they do things the way not just because maybe some people they don't push them. For instance, if we just was on place with the fight, and also the person there sometimes they fight against we, maybe it go lead secret. If it be forced to do some kind of thing for harm that person. Why the person able to fight against you first the way you fight now for them? You understand?
Yeah.
So I want to just thank you very much for which way they do. May continue to do. May give a position for other people to talk to.
Thank you very much. Thank
God
you
bless
very much. Take care. That will be the last caller of the day. So my brother, make a tell us something. Me, my name, Nanjoku Chamaria. My name Nanjoku Chamaria. The love where I get them for now is too much. I don't hate nobody. But the position where they now, if any English Southern Cameroon feel say they will just stop this matter, just stop and so because they will come accuse our own guys and say na banga they smoke and before they go begin to do. No, I don't want to hear that one. Those guys were fighting because something happened into that place, and they are continuing to fight because there is no arrangement. And when they will arrange them, any man will be okay. But for the moment, my guys, me they will agree to now. I don't know how I do work up today, but I know say God, the Almighty God, bless everybody. and give power for the one that way they need power. The one there for prison, I dey give una my heart. Now the only thing that I feel do, because me too, my own life now for God I live am. But we could continue to pray God because now he be machine. We could continue to praise the God because now he will come into this problem and bring solution. How I be singer one day, no matter how it will come, the trumpet will blow and everybody will see the sun, and we shall be in the light of God. I love you so much. If you don't know me, call me Willie the Party. For those who know me, call me Mofo. That's my name. Ciao, ciao. Take care of your life. I love you all. Now I have to go because I have something to do in about 10 minutes. So we are together. Until the next time. Until the next time.